In today's video, I'm going to share with you a lazy way to make $1,000 a day, and I'm also going to share with you some actual proof that this works. So let's jump into this. So what do you not need? Well, you do not need any experience. Anybody can do this regardless of experience, age, skill set, absolutely anything like that. This can be done from anywhere in the world, and also what I like about this method is you can get started with this today. So please make sure you watch this video till the end, because by the end of this video you will know how this works. I'll share with you some of my results. I'll share with you my results from today where I actually earn over $1,000. I'll share with you other people's results, and all of this is done automated. So I have genuinely not done anything to earn the money that I'm going to share with you in this, and I'll walk you through this. I'll show you the steps, what you need to do, what you don't need to do, and basically how all of this works. So if you're ready for this, comment down below, give the video a like, and let's jump into today's video. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online and from home, go in the description box down below and you will see you can get my free affiliate marketing course, you can get my free YouTube course, and many more. And for my #1 method to make money online, where you can earn anywhere from $100 daily up to $1,000, check out this link here. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School, and welcome to today's video. So in this video I'm going to share with you how I was able to earn, and I use that word very loosely, over $1,000 today, and I basically did nothing for this. So I went out Christmas shopping with my son to get some things for our little Santa's grotto, and then when I come home and he went to bed and I checked my earnings, I'd earned over $1,000. And it sounds like absolute nonsense, doesn't it? And I fully appreciate that. It sounds like complete BS, it sounds like a scam, but I can assure you it absolutely isn't. Like everything over on this channel and on my blog here, I research this, I trial it, I test it, and I share my results. And today's video is no different. So first of all, let me share with you, my results. So if I jump over here, you can see this is over in the Facebook group, and you can see the best day yet, just under $1,000 made whilst out doing some Christmas shopping. And then I'll link out over to my blog, and if I scroll down here you can see make that $1,000. So if I come down here, look, $1,000.50. It's pretty cool, isn't it? But look, it's not just me making money. If I scroll back up here, look at this person here, they earned $340 today. If I go further up the page here, what can I say as a hard trader? How much does this person earn? $1,500. If I come further up the page, we've got someone else here. Let's click on here and see how much they earn. They earn over $1,000 as well. So it's been a pretty good day in the group today. Now look, don't let me, throw out these wild accusations that you can earn $1,000 every single day with this method, because whilst I've earned $1,000 and people in the group have, it doesn't start out like this, and not every day is over $1,000. I've been trialing this software now for, I think it's coming up to about 5 months now. And when I first started out with this, I was earning, I think from memory, it averaged about $28, $29 a day, something like that. But I started out very conservatively. You can see here, this was an hour ago, someone here, big time profit with no effort, they earn $140. Come down here, the Bank of Azahar, look, this person here, who's this, $500 here. Come further down the page, Haley has earned, how much has Haley earned? $200. So not bad at all. But someone here, look, $728. Come further down, how much did this person earn here? $692. And look, this all works on complete autopilot. So what is it, and how does this all work? Well look, first of all, let me go over to my blog here. Go up here, go to Earn Money at Home. I'll drop a link to this blog article below for you, so you can go ahead and check all of this out. So today's video and method is all about automating Forex trading, and the reason why I like this and I'm using this and also sharing my results and recommending this is because it's proven, it's being trialed, it's being tested. There's how many people are in the Facebook? I think there's over 1,000 people in the Facebook group with this as well. But in terms of this, I like this. Well, who wouldn't like it? You buy the software, you connect it up to a broker account, and then it runs on autopilot for you. So this article over here, I did it a couple of months ago, and I basically, talk about. I know absolutely nothing about Forex trading or any trading. I know little bits about if a graph goes up or if it goes down, you earn money and lose money, etc. But the reason why I love this software so much is it just runs on autopilot. Once you connect it and set it all up, it's all done for you. So in my online business at this moment in time, I am focusing purely on either recurring income products or passive income products. And this here, it fits within both of those pretty nicely. And as I've mentioned, I don't touch this at all. So I'll drop a link to this blog article below for you. But basically, this software, you purchase the software, you connect the software to what is known as a broker account. A broker account is where you deposit some money in, and then that is your funds to trade with. But you don't have to do anything. The software does all of the trades automatically for you. So I'll drop this link down below for you, and you can go ahead and check this out. So there's this article, and then there's also another one. So I did the first article, and then I also did an update. I think it was about six or 7 weeks later, but again, it's on my blog. So literally come over here, make money, click on earn at home, and you will find it on here. So you can see I started off with $1,000. On day 1, I earned $11. Come down here, day 2, I earned $8. Day 3, 24. Day 4, I earned 45. Day 5, 66. Day 6, 35. Day 7, 18. So look here, after 7 full days using this software, I earned $211. And I literally haven't touched it or done anything. And then if I'll just scroll down to the bottom of this article for you so you can see how much I earned in my first 4 weeks with this. Where is it? Here. So in my first 4 weeks using this software, I earned $579, starting off with $1,000 investment. Basically, if you break that down, it produced an average daily profit of $28.95. Again, doing nothing. It's just ridiculous. When I first spoke to the guy who created this software, a guy called Ty, and again, I interviewed him as part of this blog article here for you, so you can go ahead and check this out. You can see anywhere where it's highlighted here, these are the questions that I asked him, and then obviously this is his response down here. When I first heard about this, it sounded like utter nonsense, and you're probably watching this thinking, this is ridiculous, how can you earn money like this? But you can do. I mean, go online and do some research into, automated Forex trading bots. There's lots of these. You'll find lots with positive reviews, and you'll find some with negative reviews. But I went ahead, I did a bit of research, I connected with the creator of this software, and short version is, I jumped into the beta testing. I think it was in June time, maybe June or July. I jumped into the beta testing. I bought the software, I connected it all up, and then I've been literally trialing it and testing it and sharing my results with this ever since, really. And am I happy? Yes, obviously. I'm recording this video here for you, and I'm also sharing content over on my blog, and I'm sharing it over in my Facebook group. But how does it work and how do you get started? Well, if I scroll down here, in fact, let me just grab this again, come down here. It's basically broken down into a few steps. So getting started with this as a hard trader, this is the software. So the first thing you need is a broker's account. Now, the one that I use and the one that is recommended with the software is this one here. It's called Trader's Way. Now, when I first went over to this Trader's Way, I'll be honest with you, I got a little bit overwhelmed. I didn't know, which account I needed to open, whether it was a live account, a demo account. When you clicked on live account, it gave me like four or five different, options. I didn't have a bloody clue. So the first one is come over to the blog, read the article, and then if you decide that this is for you, click on here and it will take you over to the correct account that you need to open that will connect with the software. Once you've done that, you then look here, step 2, purchase the software. Once you've purchased the software, you connect your broker's account over to the software, and then the software runs on a VPS, so a virtual private server. So basically, you don't have to have your laptop open, you don't need to, be doing things on your phone. It all just runs on autopilot for you. And that's it. And, there's more in this blog article here. And then also, if I scroll down here, there is, you see, where is it? Look, update. I have now done an update on this, a follow-up article that you can click on here and go ahead and check that out. So everything is in here for you, but overall, this is a genuinely lazy way to make money online. In my opinion, it is at this moment in time probably it is the easiest way to make money online. Doing nothing. I have niche blogs, I have automated YouTube channels, I have automated blogs, and lots of other things. But at this moment in time, out of all of them, which is the easiest one, it is this one here. How much is the software? Well, at this moment in time, they've just announced a 50% discount, because what happened was, for Black Friday and Cyber Monday, they did a 50% offer on it, and lots of people jumped into it. Then it went back up to the regular price, which was $2,000, and people have, they've been asking, are they going to do a Christmas promotion? Can they discount it again? So at this moment in time, any of these links on the page here, so this one, and any more, you can go ahead and get the software for half the price. I've also included another review video on here for you to check this out. But overall, is it good? Yes. Do I recommend it? Obviously. And one last thing, which I always forget to mention, is if you go ahead and get this software and connect it and set it up, and you're happy with the results and it's making money for you, like what I'm doing here, you can actually become an affiliate for this software and earn 30%, and you can earn some pretty decent money from doing so. Now what I've done is, and look, this is it's optional, you don't have to become an affiliate for this if you don't want to, but if you do want to become an affiliate and you want to earn some money sharing this, because why wouldn't you if you're happy with the results? If you want to become an affiliate for this, I have actually just finished creating a complete training in here. So I'll update this with logo and other bits on here, but I've got a full members area here for you, and you'll get access to this for free. And basically, this is like an affiliate marketing course. So this is focusing on as a hard trader, but I've been trialing and testing this, and you can see here I'm currently getting 80% opt-in rates into my as a hard trader funnel. And I've done this for you, and it's how to get your affiliate links, how to set everything up, how to get a website up and running, what you need to do, and lots more. But this part is optional. It's just like a bonus for you if you decide to go ahead and pick this up. So that's today's video. I'll drop a link to this blog article here for you. Feel free, go ahead, have a look at it, check out all of my results, come down to the bottom here, check out this video if you want, and then also click here and you'll see the follow-up article, which I did this a couple of months after I'd done this original article here. So look, that's today's video. If you've got any comments or questions, leave them down below. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.